I just got this beautiful pink nail polish color by Essie, and it's quick dry. So I'm excited to see how quickly it dries and how pretty it looks on. So have my nails not painted right now. Let's paint them and see the finished result. Goes on really easily. Ooh, it's pretty. So with just one coat, it's like a really pretty natural pink color. I love that. Let me do the rest and I will show you the finished result. I have all my nails painted. It's only been 2 minutes and already this is pretty much dry with one coat, which is amazing. I love that very natural, soft pink color. It is so pretty, and that's just one coat. If I wanted to do a second coat, I could. I also really like the brush. So it fans out very nicely. Let me show you up close. The way it fans out and it goes flat makes it so that you can paint your nails really fast, and it just looks nice when you do it that way. So I'm loving this beautiful color. I think you're gonna love it as well.